Hi everyone, this is Sangeetha, Assistant Professor in IoT Department. Today I'm going to deliver the concept topologies in computer networks. We know that topology is nothing, it's a physical structure of the network, right? So while configuring the systems in an organization or office, we have to consider this kind of topology as the structure. So there are various topologies are there in market, but basic primary there are four topologies are there. So mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, and ring topology. So based on the type of structure, name like mesh, star, bus, and ring. So let me discuss one by one. So first topology, we take mesh topology. So in that mesh topology, each and every devices in the network have dedicated link to all other node available on the network. So here there are two types of mesh topologies there. One is fully connected mesh, another one is partially connected mesh. So based on that, the devices are connected with each other. So here, if we take if the six systems are in the network, the six systems each node have dedicated link to all other node in the network. So likewise, the devices are connected. So while taking this, there are several advantages because if each node have dedicated link means the security is and privacy is preserved. And also, if there any failure occurs, we can easily identify where it locates. But the channel capacity is also allocated only for that two devices, and it's robust also. While we consider the disadvantages, so for making this kind of connection, so installation and configuration cost is also high. So very expensive. So whenever if we want to reconfigure if we want to add extra node or removing of node, it requires need maintenance. So it need more maintenance. So this is the disadvantages here. So let me discuss about the star topology. All the devices are connected with a central controller called as a hub. So through the cable, the hub is called as a central node. So all other node are connected in the hub. So whatever, if a node want to share a data, it first communicate with the hub, and then the hub will forward that message to the destination node. Likewise, the communications takes place. So each node here acts as a relay node. So central controller, which performs the forwarding of information from the source to destination. If hub will get failed, the entire network will get failed. So that nowadays the hubs are replaced with the switches. Okay. So next, advantage we can easily when compared to base is this is also very easy to set up. So for making a connection with the hub, each node require one port. When considering the disadvantages, so if a hub fails, the entire system will crash. So it's also require cost of installation, very expensive one when compared to other topologies. So bus topology, if we take that, each node connected in a single backbone cable. Each and every devices are connected with that cable. So the channel capacity shared by the connected nodes. And the channel is ended with a connection end. And with the help of drop lines and taps, the devices are punctured. The device is connected through puncturing of the main cable. So here the transmission of data takes place on the common cable. So whenever the node want to send the data, it must check whether the channel is free to transmit the data. So here the no bidirectional feature is available in bus topology. So it's like a pipelining of water pipelining is the best example for bus topology. And advantages when compared to the other previous two methodologies, the topologies cost of cabling is less here, but the common backbone cable only used to connect. So, disadvantage means network traffic is high because the cable is shared by multiple devices, and if the backbone cable fails, the entire network will get failed. So that too we have to consider. So if number of nodes are connected on the main cable will be limited, if lead extended means the cable will get crashed or damaged. And then finally, the ring topology. Here it's each node is connected with a neighboring node when it performs an like a ring structure. So each node want to transmit the data. it was sent to the neighboring node. The neighboring node will send to the other neighboring node of the node. And then finally, it reaches the destination. So here, the clockwise and anti-clockwise transmission will occur. So token ring topology, we use dual ring concept of transmitting that. So here, each node act as a relay node. Likewise, the nodes are connected. So when compared to the other previous, the advantages is correlation is minimum and also very cheap to install. Disadvantage means insertion and deletion of the node will be a difficult one, and troubleshooting where in network failures, that is also very difficult here. Okay, that's all about topologies in network. Thank you.